got in some more work today, y'all, because totally forgot when I put on this damn heat sink not to leave clearance for the valve. And there's no moving those things now. So Sawzall got rid of that little issue. And I'm not worried about if maybe the hub got a little bit out of balance. I don't think so. But next issue here is I need to make room for this far driver. So I have to cut a couple of sections right here so I can spread this frame at the top and fit that damn far driver in. It almost fits in one position, but I wanted mine to sit in there upside down, the heat sinks facing up, so that no heat goes towards the battery. So this is what I've been doing. All of a sudden, it starts the same lap. And right here it just about fit pretty good, but I needed to go up at least a few more inches, and the heat sinks on that damn thing is real tight against the frame. So I'm gonna shave it up inside there. By the way, this what do you call this damn thing? This Sawzall really been working on. That's actually just me, at supersonic speed, just moving my forearm back and forth in the Sawzall pattern. Sawzall does not even work. E-bikes, almost all of them, it was like one of the most durable. In fact, this is the bike I went full OTB on, sadly, and like there was nothing on the bars to like break. Yeah, so that's epic. Yeah, totally. I really like, this is the first, I guess.
Exactly what I put, Johnny. The way they cracked the code. Part of me wanted just to unplug the wire and be like, what now? Look at you now. It's exactly the same. But could be wrong. We didn't do that.
Yeah. But all right, let's chat about staying on